In this video, I want to show you how to use your smartphone as wireless webcam. Many of my viewers ask me, I want to buy a webcam for my live class and live conference. Which camera I should buy? But I suggest them no more buy webcam forever. Use your smartphone as a wireless webcam. So how to use it? I will show in this video, step by step. After watch this video, please like my video. If you have any problem to configuration, comment below. If you want to show this video to other person, please share this video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You download from your browser irune.com. After open, then select your Windows and download. After complete, open it. After open, you will get this dialog. Then select the number of camera, how many camera you select from here. Now I select 2, but here is a 4 options. So after click next, install. After complete installation, click on finish. Okay, finish, and close the browser. And now there is no any video because not any mobile connected here. So for this, now I'm going to open my mobile and download application. So now I am already download my mobile Irune app. So I open it. Now you see video. So also I will check PC. You see PC also get same video from my mobile to my computer. So make sure your Wi-Fi is same network, otherwise image not display. So in this way you can record any video or live conversation from your mobile phone as a wireless webcam. So now I am going to record my screen. Then how it's work? You see the video is left down corner. I just example I make www.facebook.com, and this is an example. Okay, like this you will get your video for record or live class. Thank you.